So I'm calling it quits. They've made it to where I have to solve all the temples in the Legend of Zelda franchise for me to work on my little portfolio. So I've I've been on this platform since like 2013, and I've seen shit hit the fan after soon after Eric Cassell died in 2016. I don't know a lot about him other than he was the founder of the platform, but I'm assuming he was like a pretty moral person cuz everybody else knows what they're doing. They know what kinds of things they're protecting, and they know that their platform is mainly used by children. So they're doing everything in their power to make sure that these things do not get held accountable or go to jail. They're protecting pedophiles, and I do not condone that. So I'm calling it quits. I'm leaving. So yeah, fuck Roblox. Bye.